By the end of the video, we'll know about how long it takes to lose skinny fat and achieve a leaner, more toned physique. Skinny fat refers to having a thin frame, but carrying excess body fat, especially around the abdomen. It's a common challenge, but with the right approach, you can transform your body effectively. Firstly, it's important to understand that losing skinny fat requires a combination of strength training, cardiovascular exercise, and proper nutrition. Here's a breakdown of what you need to do. Strength training. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. These exercises work multiple muscle groups and help build lean muscle mass. Aim for at least 3 to 4 strength training sessions per week. Cardiovascular exercise. Incorporate both steady-state cardio and high-intensity interval training (HIIT) into your routine. Steady-state cardio helps burn calories, while HIIT is effective for burning fat and improving metabolic rate. Nutrition. A balanced diet is crucial. Ensure you're consuming enough protein to support muscle growth and repair. Include lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and protein supplements if necessary. Caloric deficit. To lose fat, you need to be in a caloric deficit, meaning you consume fewer calories than you burn. Use a calorie tracking app to monitor your intake and adjust as needed to ensure you're on track. Consistency and patience. Results won't come overnight. It typically takes a few months of consistent effort to see noticeable changes. Remember, everyone's body responds differently, so stay patient and persistent. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Now, how long does it take to lose skinny fat? Generally, you can expect to see visible changes within 8 to 12 weeks if you adhere to your workout and nutrition plan. However, the total time will vary depending on your starting point, genetics, and how strictly you follow your regimen. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Tracking progress is essential. Take photos, measure your body fat percentage, and keep a workout log. These tools will help you stay motivated and adjust your plan as needed. In conclusion, losing skinny fat takes dedication and a strategic approach involving strength training, cardio, and proper nutrition. Stick with it, and you'll be on your way to a leaner, healthier body. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on transforming your physique and achieving your fitness goals.